How to reset WordPress website. To reset your WordPress website, you have two main options: using a plugin or performing a manual reset. The plugin method is generally easier and more user-friendly, especially for those less comfortable with technical processes. If you choose to use a plugin, one popular option is the WP Reset plugin. Start by logging into your WordPress dashboard and navigating to the Plugins section. Search for WP Reset, install, and activate it. Once activated, go to Tools, then click on WP Reset in your dashboard. Scroll down to the Site Reset section, where you'll find options for resetting your site. Before proceeding, it's crucial to create a backup or snapshot of your site. This can typically be done within the plugin interface. To initiate the reset, you'll need to type Reset in a confirmation field and click the Reset button. The plugin will then remove all your content, settings, and customizations, returning your site to its default state. For those who prefer a manual approach or don't have access to the WordPress dashboard, you can reset your site through your hosting control panel. This process involves deleting your existing WordPress database and creating a new one. Log into your hosting cPanel, navigate to the MySQL databases section, and delete your current WordPress database. Then, create a new database with the same name. You'll also need to delete the WP content folder from your site's files, which can be done through the file manager in cPanel or via FTP. After these steps, you'll need to reinstall WordPress by accessing your site's URL, followed by /wpAdmin/install php. Regardless of the method you choose, it's absolutely crucial to back up your entire website before attempting a reset. This includes all files, databases, and media. A reset is irreversible, so having a backup ensures you can restore your site if needed. Additionally, consider why you're resetting your site and if there are alternative solutions that might address your issues without requiring a full reset. Remember that resetting will remove all your content, settings, themes, and plugins, so only proceed if you're certain this is the best course of action for your website.